Hey everybody, today I'm going to be using PyCharm to demonstrate to you how to use the randint method from the Python standard library. So what the randint function, so what the randint method does is, so if you do, say, obviously first you need to do this, from random import randint. This is the method that we're going to be using today. So then, here what you're going to do is randint 1 to 6. This is just an example. You don't actually have to do this. Now you have randint 1 to 6, right? You play it. You hit play. You do this. See, it runs, and it gives you 6. If you run it again, it will give you another 6, another 6, another 2, 4. See, look, it'll change every single time, but it might be like, say, we just had 2 6s in a row. So it's gonna keep making it random every single time. Now, what you're gonna want to do is delete that. Here you do lottery equals, and you make a list of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, and then you can put whatever five letters that you want. I'm just gonna go with A, B, C, D, E. You can do whatever you want. It doesn't matter. So you have A, B, C, D, E. Now what you're going to want to have is ticket. So if you want to, you can just copy this. And also, just a reminder, if I'm going too fast for you, you can just pause the video, write it down, like type it down, then just keep doing that over and over again until the video ends. Now, what you're going to want to do is while lottery does not equal, this is why you have this exclamation mark here. This tells Python that it does not equal ticket. And then here, what you're gonna first want to do is fail plus equals 1. See, you see, there's this red squiggly line under that. We'll adjust that later. But for now what we need is print. Okay. So here, if fail percent, let's say 100,000. What this percent sign means is, so it'll divide fail by 100,000, and then if there, and then you put that equals 0. So this outputs the remainder. So if the remainder equals 0, print still working. And of course you need quotes here, so just gonna put that in. Now, well, you see there's still squiggly lines. You can go down there, just put here, print fail. This once it's printed, tell it how many times that it had to run through the program for it to work. Now, if you've been paying attention, you've obviously noticed that we've missed a key part. This is actually not. This is supposed to be like, so you have F, And you have that. In there, what you put is lottery, randint, 0,14. Now the reason why it's 0,14 and not 1,15 is because, so Python, instead of counting up from 1, it starts from 0. So this would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, and then you can just keep this, Control C, and then you can just Control V this however many times you want. Now, for me, I'm just going to do this twice, because this is just a demo. You can do it as many times as you want. And then, also notice, this is also wrong, if you were paying attention. So, winning underscore ticket. You'll notice winning underscore ticket is not a thing. So, I'm going to find that. Winning underscore ticket equals, and you just have this again. So, boom. Now you have that. You see, these are the exact same, but they'll be very different every single time. Now look, if I hit play, you'll notice fail is not defined. This is very important. You need to define your variables. In this case, it's fail, before you actually start to change them. So this one, fail equals 0. Now, if we run it, you'll see every 10,000 times it has failed, it'll print still working. So since nobody wants to sit here for that long, I'm just going to shorten this down to 1. Like that. And if you run it, it'll still be going for a fair amount of time. Actually, like a very long time. And I recommend if you do this, unless you have a very, very, very good computer, definitely shouldn't do this. Because, see, if I pull up Task Manager, see, look, it's 50. Look, you have 13.3%. That's a lot. And I don't know if you can hear it, but my fan's currently running. Yeah. So this will keep going for a while, but once it's done, it'll print a number, then it'll stop. So for this, just for the sake of everybody's time, I'm just gonna bring it down to 2. Then if you run it, it'll be like that because you forgot to change it. So 0, 1, 0, 1. Now let's see if this works. So look, it'll just print 0, 0, 0, 0. Still working. Still working. Yeah, so it'll just do this. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. So, thank you for watching, everybody. I'll see you later. Bye.